Hello everyone, welcome to Treasure Terminal Secrets to Building a Fortune. Guys, I am starting an option series in which step by step I am going to discuss all the strategies like iron fly, iron corner, straddle, strangle. So do follow this option series. In first part, like I'm starting from this series from iron fly, or also we call it iron butterfly. So without further ado, let's go to screen and learn this strategy from basics to advanced. Iron fly and iron butterfly strategy. This is part 1. All right. The topics which I am going to cover in this part 1 is what is iron fly, profit and loss graph, how to implement execute iron fly, what are the benefits of iron fly, practical implementation, or we can call explanation for this strategy in Ostra option platform with profit and loss payoff graph, margin calculation in Zerodha calculator for one lot, how much margin do we require to implement this strategy for one lot. All right, first of all, what is an iron fly? Correct, guys. In this, what we do is we sell ATM straddle and buy OTM hedge. For example, Bank Nifty spot trading at 40,300. Sell here, what we will do is sell one put option of 40,300 and sell one call option for 40,300. You are going to buy a OTM hedge. On put side you will buy a hedge, and on call side you will buy another hedge. It's a combination of 4 different contracts options. It's called a credit spread strategy. Makes bull call spread and bear put spread. Why do we call bull call spread? Is because you buy one call option and you sell one put option. And a bear put spread is because you buy a put option and sell a call option. All right, I hope you understand. Now this is profits and loss graph. As you can see, there are 3 points. A point is our lower break even. Point B is max limited profit, and point C is upper break even. All right, means if the Bank Nifty spot started trading below point A, like price lesser than strike price, then our losses will start. Limited loss will start. All right, and if the upper break even break, then also the price means price higher than strike price, then here also our loss will start. If the Bank Nifty spot remains between A and B, then of course our profit, we are going to make profit. We will also discuss this graph practically in Ostra option platform. All right, how to implement execute iron fly? Can be done on Tuesday, Wednesday for next week expiry. Can be done monthly, quarterly expiry. Generally, what I do is after 1 or 2 p.m. of Wednesday, I do this strategy. When there is a lower volatility, in the market, then I do this strategy. All right. Now, what are the benefits of iron fly? All right. First of all, it is a limited risk strategy. Protects from any unwanted event. Safer from market crash. Margin benefits. Here we get margin benefit. All right. Risk to reward will be 1:2 in this strategy. Full time sitting on screen not needed, so you can chill if you want. On day to day basis, you can check your M2M, how your position is benefiting you. Alright, so you can full time sitting on screen is not needed. Small capital. So these are the benefits of iron fly strategy. Now practical explanation of this strategy in Ostra option platform with profit and loss of payoff graph. So let's go to Ostra and learn how we can implement this strategy in the live market. All right. Yeah. So guys, this is one of the best platform where you can design your own strategy and do the analysis regarding option. Here what I will do, I will select option, and you can see already this website has given strategies like straddle, strangle, spread, iron condor and iron fly. So I am going to select, first of all I am going to reset and I will select iron fly. So what here it is already selected, like for 40,500 ATM call and put is selected, and for the put side hedge is 39,800 and for the call side hedge is 41,200. These are the far OTM hedge that we are going to add here. So I am going to select one lot and add slot iron fly. Alright. So guys, you can see this is our profit and loss graph. So what we have done is we have sorted 40,500 put, 40,500 call. These are the ATM call that we have sorted here, and on put side we have buy and hedge of 39,800, and on call side we have buy a hedge of 41,200. What is the first of all, as I told in the first slide, that it is the 1:2 risk to reward strategy. So here you can see, if we take this trade, our max profit will be around 12,000 and our max loss will be around 5,300. All right. What are the break even? Break even will be 40,000 and 41,000. So if the bank nifty remains between this 1,000 range, so we will make profit here, and if it goes beyond 40,000 downside here, then we'll make loss. We'll make loss, but we can't lose more than 5,300 in this trade, regardless where the market moves. All right, and on upper range you can see the profit and loss graph. All right, and what is the margin we require? You can see the margin which is required is like 64,000. Also we calculate this margin for one lot in Zerodha margin calculator. So I have opened Zerodha margin calculator. Here I already added all the put and calls. You can see we need like 56,000 for doing one lot for this iron fly position. And we can see in basket, like Zerodha in basket order, how much we need 64,000, like 65,000 for one lot doing this strategy, and the final margin which will be blocked is 4,600. So I hope you like my first part. If you like first part, then please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more premium content. Alright, so you can also follow us on social media at Trader Terminal. You can also follow our Telegram channel, Trader Terminal Official. I have also given my WhatsApp number and website. So if you want to watch this video in Hindi, so definitely I have uploaded it in my website traderterminal.in. So you can go there and watch this video in Hindi. I hope you stay safe. Thank you very much.